Hello everyone, this is Quakeman for a community video at achievementshunter.com. I'm going to show you how to get 3 achievements on Timeshift. All Fall Down, Look What I Can Do, and Pickpocket. And I'll explain those as it goes on. As to All Fall Down, the achievement is to kill 3 enemies during time stop. After 59 tries, this is my first shot. I kill a guy with a headshot, get his machine gun, shot a grenade, and blink. There you go. Second one, which is Pickpocket, is to steal 10 enemies with their guns. I already stole 1, and so for the video this is number 2. And as it goes on, you'll see me get the achievement. I'll talk again when we see the the Look What I Can Do achievement.
What's your status?
Okay, now for this achievement, Look What I Can Do is to walk on water using time stop. It's one of the easiest achievements to get, but at least it's something you can get, you know. This is on the first level too. Now back to Disarm. There you go. Pickpockets. And that's all the achievements. If you want to find more communities or the regular, go to achievementhunter.com. I'll see you later.